Hello everyone, we are now in the series of Displaying the City lectures. It is part of our continuation of visual communication. In this lecture series, I would like to begin with the way we understand our city. Let's take a look on the way our city have been beautified themselves. By beautify is actually what it's called as aestheticizing the city. Like now I'm standing in one of the alley in Petaling Jaya in Malaysia. This city is actually promoted themselves to be a livable city. Following the sustainable development goal to be a sustainable city, using the creative strategy as part of the creative city movement, especially by incorporating the so-called creative activation or placemaking in the city by using color on the mural, using music as part of the city performance and everything. And in this kind of a strategy, our city recently tried so hard to communicate their image. So that's the idea of displaying the city, which is good actually. However, we have to ask ourselves critically, especially from the point of view of visual communication, so many questions that actually follow up of this phenomenon. Does this kind of aestheticization is actually for the people who live in the city? Does this kind of aestheticization actually address the main goal to be, for example, to be creative city, to be sustainable city, to be smart city, to be a livable city? We have to consider that kind of question in our own research, in our own study. So that's why we won't be just to show an appreciation of our moment, wow, 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 but actually it creates a new level of problem. Well, I'm not against of any kind of placemaking activation, aestheticizing of the city, as long as it actually create a participation of the people. I think in the communicative process, that's the main key. It's not just about what kind of visual that actually they communicate to build an image, but beneath this kind of visual, what kind of social improvement, social activity, and cultural engagement. And I think that's the main key of this kind of displaying the city. Now, I leave the question to you all. Please reflect upon your own city. Do you find something similar? If so, let's discuss it together in the next session of the discussion. Thank you. We will continue the series in other forum after this. See you then.